Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on best cloud-based VDRs for legal professionals. However, cloud-based VDRs can also be used for a variety of other purposes such as legal discovery, collaboration with clients and other lawyers, sharing documents with expert and witness. When choosing a cloud-based VDRs for legal professional, it is important to consider a number of factors including security. The VDR should use latest security technologies to protect sensitive documents from unauthorized access and threat. Accessibility: the VDR should be accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes it easy for users to access the document they need, even if they are located in different part of the world. Collaboration features: the VDR should offer collaboration features such as document annotation, discussion thread, and real-time editing. This makes it easy for user to collaborate on documents and to improve the efficiency of the legal process. Then compliance: the VDR should be compliant with the industry regulation that require legal professional to protect sensitive data. Here are some of the best cloud-based VDRs for legal professional. Ideals: Ideal is a leading and cloud-based VDR provider that offers a secure and user-friendly platform for storing, sharing sensitive documents. Ideals is known for its strong security features as way of use and collaboration features. Then Interlink is another leading cloud-based VDR provider that offers a secure and reliable platform for storing and sharing sensitive documents. Interlink is known for its security features, global reach, and customer support. Secure Docs is a cloud-based VDR that offers a secure and affordable platform for storing and sharing sensitive documents. Secure Docs is known for its strong security features, as of use, and pricing. And DataSite is a cloud-based VDR that offers a secure and reliable platform for storing and sharing sensitive documents. DataSite is known for its strong security features, global reach, and customer support. Box is a cloud-based VDR that offers a secure and easy-to-use platform for storing and sharing sensitive documents. Box is known for its strong security features, as of use, and collaboration features. So, in last conclusions, these are just few of the best cloud-based VDRs for legal professionals. When choosing a cloud-based VDR, it is important to consider your specific needs and requirements. If you have any questions about choosing a cloud-based VDR for legal professionals, please leave them in comment below. I'm always happy to help. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.